Tired of stiff knees, aching hips, or cracking joints? What if I told you your body can actually rebuild cartilage naturally? One of our clients was facing knee surgery. The pain was unbearable, and she couldn't even stand for 10 minutes. Instead of surgery, we tried a natural protocol. Today, she's hiking with her grandkids. Pain doesn't have to be permanent, especially when you give your joints the tools to heal. Most people believe once cartilage is gone, it's gone forever. That's not true. With the right anti-inflammatory foods, collagen-boosting nutrients, and low-impact movement, your body can stimulate repair. You may feel broken, but your body isn't finished. I've seen people in their 60s and 70s reverse years of pain and regain mobility naturally. You don't need expensive injections or surgery. You need a consistent, natural plan that your body responds to, and anyone can do this at home. If you want to rebuild your joints, reduce pain, and move freely again, book your free 30-minute consultation now. Let's help your body heal itself.